Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Bay. Today we're diving into one of the biggest shifts happening in America's workforce, how artificial intelligence is transforming blue-collar jobs. From smart machines to new skills, this is the future of work you don't want to miss. Over the next 5 years, a quiet revolution is reshaping America's working class landscape, fundamentally altering the future of blue-collar jobs. From bustling warehouses in Ohio to expansive construction sites in Texas, artificial intelligence is no longer confined to isolated offices or specialized tech labs. Instead, AI is now an integral part of everyday tools, advanced machines, and streamlined workflows across various industries. Blue-collar jobs, traditionally defined by physical strength and repetitive tasks, are being profoundly redefined by the integration of sophisticated sensors, advanced robotics, and smart algorithms. We see autonomous forklifts moving goods safely and efficiently through complex environments, minimizing human error and increasing throughput. Computer vision systems are checking product quality with unparalleled speed and accuracy, often surpassing the capabilities of the human eye. Furthermore, predictive maintenance systems are now capable of warning of potential equipment breakdowns long before they actually happen, preventing costly downtime. But this profound transformation isn't solely about automation. It's fundamentally about fostering a new era of collaboration. Humans and machines are increasingly learning to work side by side, creating environments that are not only safer, but also achieve higher levels of efficiency. This synergy is also opening up entirely new opportunities for highly skilled technicians and specialized operators. The primary challenge in this evolving landscape is adaptation, requiring a proactive approach to learning and skill development. Workers who actively learn to operate, monitor, or repair these sophisticated AI-driven tools will undoubtedly lead the next generation of the American workforce. Upskilling, rather than widespread replacement, is truly the defining narrative of AI's impact within blue-collar industries. As we steadily move toward the year 2030, the most successful workers won't be those with the greatest physical strength, but rather those who demonstrate the highest adaptability. These are the individuals who embrace new technology, commit to continuous learning, and skillfully guide AI to make work better and more fulfilling for everyone. Ultimately, AI is transforming blue-collar jobs, enhancing their scope and efficiency, rather than simply replacing them. Together, through this powerful collaboration, humans and intelligent machines are actively building the future of work, creating a more productive and innovative society. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about how AI is shaping the future of work, make sure to subscribe to Knowledge Bay and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next insights. See you in the next video.